So if you think about fries and potato chips, this is where it came from.
Next level.
Yo guys, Hans here, and this is the potato review. So the potato that we have here measures 2.5 by 2 inches. Now this is considered as a small potato. Now taking a closer look, this is a unique potato. So it has a unique shape, a unique texture that is different from the other potatoes. Now this is a special potato, and so are the other potatoes. Now the potato that we have here has a rounded shape that feels good in hands. Now this potato can stand by itself and do rollovers. And also this potato has an earthy smell that reminds you that this came from the earth. Now what's good about this potato is being a potato. So it can stand, it can do rollovers, smells earthy, and it's potato. Now for the specification, this has a high-end potato specs. So this has the highest potato specs that it can have as a potato. So it's shock-proof and durable and can stand drops. And did I mention that this is naturally grown? That reminds you that this came from the earth. So if you think about fries and potato chips, think potato. Alright guys, so that's it for this potato. So if you're interested in getting your own potato, check the link in the description box. And again guys, my name is Hans, and for more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one, and thanks for watching.